How to cash on delivery on Purplle. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Purplle and today I'll guide you on how you can use the cash on delivery feature on the Purplle. Now, it's quite simple and easy. All you have to do is you can simply head into the checkout page. You can simply select the item that you wish to order. You can simply add it to cart, and once you add to cart, you can simply go to cart and then you want to check proceed to pay, and there you want to go ahead. Now I'm not logged into my account, but once you're logged in there, it'll take you to the payment page, your delivery address. You want to enter those details and then you want to enter, it'll ask you to choose your payment method, right? Then at the checkout page on the payment method option, you can select cash on delivery as the payment method. However, rupees 25 is applied for an order of rupees 499 or below. So due to the limitations of the couriers they use, cash on delivery is not yet available for all the pin codes. That you'll have to note it as well. So if it's available, then you'll be able to use it at the checkout page. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.